has arrived at the front door. How's it going? Excited to get this. And here she is. Big old box. It's kind of a weird shaped box. So I'll get it open and show you guys what it looks like. I'm so excited to get this on. Alright guys, we are going to unbox this spoiler. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but it's all taped up. But I'll start right here. And I'll show you guys once it's open. Okay, no, it's hard to see much, but I got the box open. I'm gonna put you guys down and open it up. Get the spoiler out. Wrapped up pretty well. Nice. So I'm gonna unwrap it and I'll show you guys what it really looks like, but I'm super excited. This is gonna look great. So I got the one layer of bubble wrap off. This wrap's really good. Now it's time to get the other layer. The Seibon stickers from the factory. I ordered it on April 27th and it was made on February 20th, so. Okay, now we are down to the final layer. We got some screws and bolts right here. I'm guessing this is the hardware for the wing. Put that off to the side somewhere. So under the spoiler we had the plastic fins to line up your holes on where to drill. And we have some little foam pieces to secure under the wing. I was going to use some 3M tape to kind of waterproof it underneath the wing. So we'll see what it looks like when we get it on the car. I'll probably still end up doing that. This foam will probably just cushion under the wing and it'll look great. And time for the first look at the wing. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow, that's just beautiful. The weave is perfect. The size is perfect. I'm in sheer awe of how beautiful this wing is. I cannot wait to get it on the car, but the weave looks so perfect. And I'm not going to paint it because my car is black with the carbon mirrors, so it'll match perfectly, but there is not one thing wrong with this spoiler. A lot of people have complained about being damaged, but I don't have any problems with mine. It looks perfect. It's going to look great on the car. Can 100% recommend Seibon wings. This is the MB style wing. Set me back like around $800 and a 2-month wait. So the 2-month wait is finally over and I cannot wait to get this installed onto the car. This is the last look of the car with no spoiler. The last clean look. We're gonna go take her to clean up real quick. She's gonna need a real detail from the 660-mile trip there, 660-mile trip back, and driving on the track. That really messes up your paint, but it's the last look of the stock rear end. I'm gonna bring you guys with me to clean her off. First, let's get these numbers off, and then we'll at least clean her up a little bit. So, you guys ready for a not so cold start on the Supra? It's cold, but the valve doesn't open if the car isn't at operating temperature. So, a valve full of woes, cold start. Here we go. Can't pull into the car wash without revving it. So satisfying watching it clean off. Still got a little bit of a ceramic coat on it, so everything kind of just flies right off. The door's always on lock and lock because I get close with the key and then it thinks that the water is pressing the button. I'll get back to you guys when I'm all clean. There guys, she is all cleaned off. There's some stuff on the front end that I'm just not going to worry about because it's just embedded in there. Like I said, I'm going to need to get a real detail on the car, but she looks a lot better than she did. These numbers left a little square on the car. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'll see if I can wipe that out, but other than that, she looks okay. She needs some loving. It's time to dry her off with some microfiber towels. And I got my cover in the back here. And then we'll go home and install the spoiler. Super excited. So I'll show you guys when I get home, when I get started. She's not perfect, but she looks loads better than she did. The front end is destroyed still. Quick little wash. Alright, this is the last look for the stock end. Stock back end. All cleaned up. I'm going to put some painter's tape right here on this side where I have to drill holes. Same thing on this side. I'm going to place the wing on there, get the placement right, and then put those little tabs that you screw in place or tape down so you know where the holes are. So I'll get back to you guys when I have the spoiler all lined up. Wing out in the sunlight. Looks beautiful. We're going to take these end caps off, and then you got to drill holes for them. You're going to line them up and drill the holes for them. So I'm going to mark out on the trunk where I want it to go, and we'll go from there. Foam to give it a little layer of protection between the wing and the paint. And then I'm going to put 3M tape around here to kind of make a watertight seal so nothing, water gets in the trunk. I'll get back to you guys once I'm done there, but after that I'm going to line it up and start drilling the holes. I've got my little pilot fins in place. I've got my outline on the trunk of where approximately the wing is going to sit. It's about the same spot on both sides perfectly. Right on the curve is where the edge goes. And we're going to line the wing up and tape down those little inlet things and get the perfect drill line. We fit the wing onto the spoiler and put these on the holes. And we tape these down while the wing was exactly where we wanted it. Now I'm going to drill little tiny holes, little pilot holes, and then time to drill the big holes. See what size we need and we'll get going. The first pilot hole is being drilled right now. There's one. Slow. And there's two. Move on to the other side. There's one. And there's two. Now let's clean the area up and drill some bigger holes. The final holes. Got our little center punched holes. It's time to drill the final hole. Final bolts are being drilled. There's one. Time to do the second one. There's two. Now on to the other side. Three. Now on to the last one. And it's all 4 bolts. The holes are drilled. Now we're just going to take the 3M tape off the spoiler, wipe down the area real quick with alcohol for a good adhesion. Take these little bits of 3M off. And then put the bolts in and line her right up. She's gonna look great. Just fit up into place. All I gotta do now is tighten it down. Then I can take off the towels and see what she really looks like. The wing is installed, and I could not be happier with the fitment and the look. It fits perfect, and it looks perfect on the car. The carbon fiber mirrors match that carbon fiber so well. Same with the carbon fiber exhaust tips. It all ties together super nicely, and it really completes the rear end of the car. Makes it look like a lot like the old one. Get a front view. It really looks perfect, like it was obviously made for the car. Super satisfied. I got this from MBNZ, Mercedes-Benz-Gram, mbenzgram.com. The shipping took forever, but it came in perfect condition, so I can't complain. Seems like there might be a little bit of chipping down here, but I think it'll be perfect. I'll take some clear nail polish and nothing will ever happen to it. But I could not be happier with the results. The way it fits against the fender is perfect. And it looks so good on the black car. Let me know what you guys think. Is it fire or is it rice? You guys let me know. So I hope you guys can do it yourself, and like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. So on the instructions, it says to bring it to a certified professional. Just so you guys know, I'm by no means a certified professional, but if you take your time and are patient with it, make sure everything lines up right, you will end up with an end result like this. So that's the end product. My GoPro battery died, so I'm finishing this on my phone. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. But I'm going to get a little bit more carbon fiber to finish out the look of the exterior. I think the black on carbon looks so good. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.